What's up, guys? It's Taylor with the Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out one of our brand new 2020 Kia Souls. This one's got a sport trim. You got the alloy rims. This is one of the newer models, so it gets the upgraded front end. Get these different looking headlights, fog lights down on bottom, Soul badge on the back on both sides. Then coming around to the back here, we get these sweet looking taillights that wrap all the way around this trunk here. Also does come with the backup camera. You get the red S badge to the right. And then cargo space, we get a good amount of it. Mats are back here as well. Other than that though, this does come with blind spot monitors. Let's take a look at the interior. Alright guys, as for the interior of this Kia Soul, we got lots of cool features to go through. Starting up on the steering wheel, it comes with Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, and cruise control. Over to the left of the steering wheel, you got a couple of buttons. So we get our lane keep, blind spot monitors, automatic engine start and stop system, and then our regular traction control. Coming over to our screen, so on these newer Kias, on a lot of these newer Kias, we get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay default. These will allow you to open up your own personal music apps, your own personal navigation apps, all through USB connection just down here. Also have a 12-volt socket on each side. Screen also does come with your regular Bluetooth capabilities, FM, AM radios. Just down below, we get all of our climate controls. AC feels incredible. It's ice cold in here. Drive modes. Those will display up here on the gauge cluster, so we get our normal and sport mode. Just behind that, two cup holders, and then a leather wrapped console. Good amount of space in there. As for the seating on the inside of this Kia Soul, got really comfortable front seats. These are kind of like bucket seats. Get a good amount of space in the back seats as well. Really comfortable seats though. But overall, great looking interior. Lots of cool options in here as well. To wrap it up, guys, this Kia Soul is in amazing condition with no damages or accidents on its Carfax report. This one is a one-owner vehicle with just over 2,000 miles. It's got super low mileage, gets crazy good gas mileage, up to 29 miles per gallon in city, 35 on the highway. Under the hood, it's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. With the sport trim, we get a ton of cool features. We get alloy rims on the interior. We get lots of safety features, blind spot monitors. Really comfortable interior as well with the upgraded screen. Comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Come on down to the Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.